Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Maserati key fob. First, you'll need to remove the emergency key, which slides out easily after pressing a small button. Next, you'll see a tiny torque screw. Use a T6 or T7 screwdriver to carefully remove it. After that, gently pull off the two silver side panels, starting from the bottom, to expose the main casing. With the side panels removed, you'll notice a seam running around the key fob. Along this seam, there are typically 4 small cutouts or slots. Take a small flathead screwdriver and insert it into one of these slots. With a gentle twisting motion, you can carefully pry the 2 main halves of the key fob casing apart, revealing the internal components. Inside, you'll find the circuit board. There's usually another small torque screw, often a T6, holding this board in place. Unscrew it, then carefully lift the circuit board to reveal the battery underneath. The battery is a CR2032, a common 3-volt coin cell. Gently pry out the old battery and insert the new one, ensuring the positive side faces down, just like the original. Now, it's time to put everything back together. Place the circuit board back into its housing and secure it with the small torque screw. Carefully align the 2 main halves of the key fob and press them firmly until they snap securely into place. Reattach the 2 silver side panels, then reinsert and tighten the first torque screw. Finally, slide the emergency key back in and test your newly refreshed key fob.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.